Welcome back to our series on teaching kids about money management. I'm Coach Mark, a financial specialist. Today, we're focusing on practical activities you can use to help kids understand and manage money. Let's dive in. One effective activity is setting up a mock store at home. Use play money and household items as goods. This activity allows kids to practice using money, making purchases, and giving change. It's a fun way to learn about transactions and the value of money. Another great activity is creating a savings chart. Help your child set a savings goal and track their progress. You can use stickers or drawings to mark each milestone. This visual representation makes the concept of saving more tangible and rewarding. Involving kids in grocery shopping is also beneficial. Give them a small budget to manage and let them choose items within that budget. This teaches them about making choices, comparing prices, and prioritizing needs over wants. An allowance system is another practical tool. Set up a weekly or monthly allowance in exchange for completing chores. This not only teaches kids about earning money, but also instills a sense of responsibility and work ethic. Lastly, introduce the concept of banking. If possible, open a savings account for your child. Take them to the bank and explain how it works. Show them how to deposit money and check their balance. This real-world experience helps demystify banking and encourages saving. These practical activities can make learning about money management fun and engaging for kids. In our final episode, we'll discuss long-term strategies and habits to instill a strong financial foundation in your children. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to our next session.